known as the Fort Missoula Loop Trail. It's pretty short, but check it out. It's nice. But now, here I am at Fort Missoula Park. We are probably about halfway through. It's, like I said, pretty short thing. The mountains around here are gorgeous with all the snow on it still. That's probably why we've still got so much ice in the river. The water coming down is pretty icy still. But right now it's like 65 degrees and gorgeous and sunny, and I'm feeling pretty good. How about you? Woohoo! So, Fort Missoula is a 156-acre park built on a former military post from 1877. And while I ponder ghost soldiers, I also remember that this fort was originally established to subdue the Native Americans, tribes who lived in this region. And speaking of soldiers, Fort Missoula was once home to the 25th Infantry Regiment, also known as the Buffalo Soldiers. These guys weren't just tough, they were pioneers of bicycle travel. Picture a troop of soldiers on bikes, testing out to see if they could ditch the horses for two-wheeled adventure. Spoiler alert, the Army decided on horses. But wait, there's more. This was actually an internment camp during World War II. The Italians called it Buena Vista, and Japanese internees, they actually built a golf course. So today you can enjoy the park's modern amenities, like a multi-sport fields, playgrounds, and even 22 pickleball courts. It's a place where you can walk your dog, have a picnic, or pedal your ass. Military post of necessity in 1874. Those pesky Indians don't like us pushing them off their land. Imagine that. Fort Missoula has long served as a beautiful natural setting for outdoor recreation and sports. They made it into a lovely park. Okay, well. So where am I at? And you are here, shit. Ah, okay. Lower right. Okay. Nice. Playing tennis. Sticking to the outer edge here. That was awesome. Thanks for pedaling along. Love from the peddler. Pedaling. There's quite a few disc golf players. Amazing. All right then.